So I just took the cover off. See, it's way past due for another air cleaner tune-up period, I should say. Oh man, yeah. I'll cut y'all on in a minute. All right, we back. This thing is through. I've been slacking. This don't even look that bad. Well, the inside, I got this big chunk. I'm gonna get this together. I'll let y'all in a minute. And this is the wrong size filter right here, but I do got some more. I got some more in the basement that I think is the right size. About to see. I think I got like 2 more down there. So boom, I got the right one. I was getting ordering 2 at a time for like under like $20. So those worked on. No, these worked. I think I got those by mistake. Maybe I got it backwards. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I ordered something by mistake. And that same engine, different years, the thickness changes. So I ordered these by mistake, I think. And it's a good thing I didn't return them because they work for that one. But my other 2, these the ones. My other 2 riding lawnmowers. But anyway, it's a good thing I never returned these. So get it together, holla at y'all. Get everything on the trickle charge so I can not run out. It wasn't even that bad. You know, sometimes you just gotta charge it up for a minute, but usually it's not that bad. I'll let y'all in a minute.